want to show you guys here some of my collection. This here would be my vintage Stihl chainsaw collection. First saw here on the left is a Stihl 051. She's a good runner. Only issue is when starting her today my kill switch broke, so I won't be able to run her for you guys. I think I paid $90 shipped for this saw on eBay. I bought it as a parts saw because I had a good muffler cover on it. And we all know how expensive those are, so I bought the whole saw and it came in the mail. And I looked at it and I figured it's too nice to be a parts saw. So I rebuilt the carburetor in it and got her going. It's got a 20-inch bar. Next saw, Stihl 075. It's got a 30-inch bar. It's in pretty good shape. It's definitely been used, shows its wear, but she sure runs good. And that saw is missing the muffler cover, which is why I was gonna get the 051 and throw that muffler cover on there, but I guess that's the way it goes. Next saw is my 076 AV Super. The letters are all missing on it, but you can make it out with the naked eye, and you can absolutely tell that it's a Super and a 076 because it has chain brake and automatic oiling system on it. And 075 has manual and automatic. And this saw here has a 43-inch bar. Next saw is a cool old Stihl 08 top handle. This is a neat old saw. I believe it to have an 18-inch bar here and the old school stamped steel in the bar. This is also a good running saw. Very neat. Like to use it every now and then. But, let's see if we can get a video of some of these here saws running. Minus the 051. So I won't be able to shut her down without having a screwdriver. Next saw, the 076. if we can get the 08 going. Alrighty, that's it for now. Maybe one of these days here when I get some good sized wood at the house, I can show you how they cut. This is a cool old saw. I got this saw off of Craigslist for $50. It's a Homelite Zip. I absolutely love it. Alright, what we have here is a Homelite XL 800. Saw's in pretty decent shape. Believe it or not, somebody threw this chainsaw in the junk pile at the dump. So I grabbed it. I suppose we can see how she runs. Sit you down here. Oh, he's dry. There, I'll put some more gas in it for you guys. Let's try this again. Alrighty. Here's a couple other chainsaws I own. I have others also, but they're I needed some TLC before I could show them some more. I gotta put away anyhow until I get to them. This here is Wright. I got this from an old neighbor of mine. He gave it to me. Haven't used it a whole lot. I have gotten it running. And then another chainsaw over here. Got this at a garage sale, I believe for $25. It's a Homelite 530N. This thing's a big heavy monster. And it's gonna need a little bit of carburetor work. It does have spark, so she should run. She pops off with some gas down the plug hole. I gotta find a chain for it yet. I'll start this right up for you guys. There she goes.